So here are 3 steps we put together to get you started. You can literally just start following those 3 steps to get you started. As I stated before, know your devices. Get an Excel file right after this call and start creating a list of computers, servers, applications, and so on. And like basic 101, if that device can connect to the internet, it should be listed on that Excel file that you are building. Protect your devices. Make sure that you have at least a paid antivirus on all your computers. And prepare for the worst case scenario. Back up your data and draw an incident response plan. Because the incident response plan, it's not only for big corporations. Yes, of course, big corporations, they have an incident response plan. They do have everyone they should call should something go south, what they should do. But small business, you might not need to have that to the extent of a corporation. But you need to draw something. If something were to go south, who should you call? What would you do? What is your first reaction? That should be listed. And also, the fact that it's listed does not mean it's working. You should test it. Make sure it works. Make sure that if you have a cybersecurity insurance, that you have the contact information for that person, because you will need them. Because when something is happening on your network, it is not the right time right now to figure out who you should call. You should have those in place already. Also, I wanted to mention that do not try to hide in plain sight or hoping that hackers have no interest in your business, because that trick does not work. Never works and never will. All it does is getting you compromised quicker, because when you think you're hiding, it's not. It's in fact ignoring that the future of your business depends on your actions. And worse, right now is the time to get started.
Thanks for tuning in to this video. We at SCORE are here to support small businesses just like yours. To see another video, click on the one that shows in the corner of the screen. While you're at it, why not subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you know when we post more content? And if you'd like a mentor to help you start or grow your business, just click the link in the description.